Tire punctures and wheel damage can be a real bummer for your customers. It seems like they always happen at the worst times. You want your customers with tire punctures and other damage to trust your shop to get them back home safely. Whether future tire repair service is offered as part of a new tire purchase or as a standalone service, these basic procedures must be done correctly to avoid liability and to keep customers rolling smoothly. In this video, we talk about why having the total tire repair package will set you apart and build reputation with your potential and current customers. Offering a complete lineup of tire services can keep customers from seeking repairs elsewhere. By including puncture repair and wheel care as tire repair service offerings, customers will know that your shop has the complete tire package. While puncture repairs themselves may not be that profitable, dealers who offer the service can build customer loyalty, interface with new customers who may find themselves with an unexpected flat, and offer added value by including free puncture repair. Depending on the puncture and other variables, tire repair may also be sold as a viable alternative to a new tire purchase, which could provide significant savings to the customer. We have talked a lot about customer education recently, and education is still key when performing a proper repair. This includes why and how the service will be performed and setting expectations of the labor and time required for this type of repair. When performing puncture repair, make sure to remember and use the guidelines established by the U.S. Tire Manufacturers Association. When you remove the tire from the rim, conduct a thorough inspection and cleaning inside the tire, followed by a patch and plug repair. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire, service, and shop operations videos. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you later.